Hello friends, hope you are all doing great. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about some dark facts about CryptoTab browser. If you are a CryptoTab user and you are hoping to earn some Bitcoin in CryptoTab without much hassle, then you have to be aware of this dark side of CryptoTab browser. Otherwise, you may lose your hard-earned money and a lot of time what you have invested in this platform. Let me show you a scenario. You are using CryptoTab from a few days now. Already you have made some referrals and you activated CloudBoost in your account and now you are earning some real money in CryptoTab browser. You are thinking about gathering some amount before you make a withdrawal. But suddenly when you open your app, you notice this page. And you can't access anything in your account. All your earnings are gone. All the referrals and their benefits are gone. You are totally confused about what to do. You contacted customer service, but they said it can't be reversed. Once your account is suspended, it can't be open again. Friends, this is a common scenario in CryptoTab platform. Whether you buy it or you are using it free, this is happening with many CryptoTab users. So friends, today in this video, I am going to give you some tips and information so that you can save yourself from this trap. So before starting the video, please subscribe to this channel because in this channel you will find crypto related all the information regularly and free CryptoTab Pro browser, and whenever the browser release an update of its app, you will find it here completely free. So please hit the subscribe button so that you will not miss anything. So let's go to the point. Friends, you can see here if your account got blocked, it cannot be reversed. Whether you contact customer service or do whatever you could do, it cannot be reversed. That's why my suggestion is to avoid doing things that could block your account. First of all, do not share your app with anyone on Facebook. Because many victims said when they share their app on Facebook, they got banned immediately. You can share your referral link on Facebook, but never talk about the APK file sharing because it could ban your account. And if you are using the free APK, then you must remember that whenever you reach the minimum payout threshold, make a withdrawal. Because if you gather a good amount in the free version, your account will get banned. But if you withdraw a low amount, you don't have to worry. If you are using CryptoTab Pro that you have purchased from the Play Store, then I suggest you do not buy CloudBoost with your hard-earned money. Because when your account gets blocked, all the amount you have invested for CloudBoost also goes to waste. That's why you should not invest anything, but you can buy CloudBoost, buy the Bitcoin you have earned in CryptoTab browser by mining. By that, you decrease your risk of losing your hard-earned money. You can easily earn a lot of amount without investing a single penny by this method. But you have to keep patience because you are only investing the money you are earning in CryptoTab browser. First, gather the amount so that you can buy X2. With X2, your earning speed will increase and very soon you will be able to buy X5. Now your speed will become more. Now very soon you will be able to buy more CloudBoost without investing anything. I will not suggest you to buy CloudBoost with your hard-earned money because you may lose everything you have invested if your account gets banned for no reason. And till then you may not earn the amount you have invested because you have to turn on mining in every 3 hours, which is not possible for everyone. After all, we are humans. We have to sleep, we have to do many important things in our day-to-day life. We may forget sometimes to turn on, by that also we lose our earnings. But after all, you are the owner of your own decision, so make a wise decision. So friends, this is for today. If you are a new user, you can sign up through the referral link I have given in this video description. And if you need a free CryptoTab Pro APK, then you will find it in the description. If you think this video is helpful for you, then please hit the like button and please do subscribe to the channel so that I can bring you more useful videos every day.